Hello student. So we were studying about the knowing our numbers. Here we have to know how to write the numerals. Write in numerals means you have to represent in numerals from words. Write the numerals for each of the firm. Here you have to represent these into numerals. These are written in words and you have to represent in numerals. First example 39 lakh 46,580 according to the place value chart. प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में आप सभी ने देखा कि वंस प्लेस, टेंस प्लेस, 100 प्लेस, फिर पीरियड्स एक होते हैं। 100 प्लेस को अलग पढ़ा जाता है और वंस और टेंस को दोनों को टुगेदर साथ में मिला के पढ़ा जाता है। उसके बाद 1000 प्लेस को 10,000 और 1000 प्लेस को दोनों को मिला के पढ़ते हैं। वी रीड 1000 एंड 10,000 टुगेदर, lakh and 10 lakh together. We read, but when we ये तो पढ़ने का तरीका, but when we express in numerals, then we have to use the place value chart, and according to the place value charts, using the periods, we can write the numerals for each of the firm. Here 39 lakh 46,508. Here 39 lakh means lakh has two places. 39 means you can write 39 lakh. 39 lakh means lakh has two places. First place according to place value chart lakh, और second is 10 lakh. So and 46,000 it has also two digits. First is 1000, a second is 10,000. And 100 place, all of you know that it is arrow and last two digits, first place and 10th place is read by together. So let's represent this statement into the place value chart. 39 lakh had two places, 10 lakh and lakh, because 39 has two digits. So 39 lakh 46,000. 1000 had two places, 1000, 10,000. 46,000. 500. 100 is alone. 500. 80. 80 means last two digits जो है साथ में. 80 is 80. So 39 lakh 46,580. It is written now. So now we have to find the numerals. This is in words and you have to find the numeral. So the given numerals is, so the GIVEN given numeral is, what is this? First of all you have to write this 3 9 4 6 5 8 0. This is Indian place value chart. According to the Indian place value chart, we have to use periods from stream to right. First period is used after 3 digits. This. After that, every 2 digits. This. So 39 lakh 46,580 is written this. And second example, 32 lakh 24,982. So 32 lakh means lakh has two places, lakh and 10 lakh. If you write by both together, we read 32. 32 24,000, 1000 and two places, 1000 and 2000. 10,000 both comes under the 1000 place. And 900, 100 is 0, and 82 last two digit is read as together. So 32 lakh place value chart में 32 lakh and 10 lakh. तो lakh is 32 lakh. After that 24,000, 1000 के दो प्लेस है, 24, 1000, 10,000 both come under the 1000 place. So we write 24,000. 900, 100 is 0, 900 and 82 last two digit is read together. So 82 this. Now this is represented in the place value chart. Now we write in numerals. So the given numeral is, write this without using periods, 3 2 2 4 9 8 2. Now in Indian place value chart, periods are used from history, right? And first period is used after 3 digits. After that every 2 digits. First period after 3 digits, 3, and then after every 2 digits, 2. So this is 32 lakh 24,980. This is the representation of words in numerals. So I think all of you will be able to represent the numerals for the following statements. These types of questions are given in your exercise book, and I think all of you will be able to solve this, and you can write like this. This was the writing of numerals. From numerals to what and what numeral we have studied till now. Now we have to study place value and face value. Place value and face value. Place value and face here we have to study about the place value and the face value. The face value of a digit remains as it is. The face of a digit the face value of a digit remains as it is, whereas the place value of a digit, whereas the place value of a digit depends the place value of a digit depends on its position in the resolution. Depends on its position in place value table. In place value of at face value, the face value of a digit remains as it is, whereas the place value of a digit depends on its position in place value table. So for example 3 2 4 6 5 7, this is Indian number. Here face value of a digit remains as it is. फेस वैल्यू वैसे ही रहती है जैसे ये दिखाई देती है. फेस वैल्यू रिमेन सेम, रिमेन एज इट इज, जैसे होती है. जैसे 7 फेस वैल्यू कैसे है 7 ही. प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 ये 2 ही है, बिकॉज जैसे वो होती है वही उसकी फेस वैल्यू. बट whether the place value of digit depends on, but the place value, suppose that's 4 6 I have 2, either you can take any value 2. Face value remains the same, digit remains as it, जैसे होती है वही होती है. तो इसके प्लेस में face value face value but the place value of it, place value, what is the position of this digit? One in place value chart, 1 10 100 1000 10,000. 10,000 is 2 into 10,000. Once 10,000 10,000 means the place value depends on its position. It is the position of 2 10,000. We say that once 10 100 1000 10,000 2 10,000. 2 10,000 means 2 into 10. 10 is 20. 20,000. Or you can write in numerous 20,000. Here we see that face value remains the same digit. जो face value होती है वो जैसे दिखाई देती है, जो होती है सेम वही होती है face value. face value में digit की वैल्यू ही नहीं बदलती, जो वैल्यू digit की है सेम वैल्यू ही face value होती है. But the place value of any digit in a number depends on its position. Here if you write here 2, the face value of this will be 2, the face value of this 2 will also, both will be the same face value because they are same as it is. ये उसी तरह से जैसे दी गई. But here the place value of this number place value has 2 once tens, 2 into 10 is 20. Here the face value of same digit are different place value chart position is same. तो अगर एक ही डिजिट अलग अलग पोजीशन पे हो नंबर में तो उसकी फेस वैल्यू बदलती नहीं. फेस वैल्यू डज नॉट चेंज ऑन डिफरेंट पोजीशन ऑफ सेम डिजिट, बट द प्लेस वैल्यू, लेकिन प्लेस वैल्यू of same digit change from different position in place value chart or place value table. तो place value chart या टेबल पे अगर एक ही डिजिट अलग अलग पोजीशन पे है तो उसकी वैल्यू बदलती है, लेकिन फेस वैल्यू की वैल्यू नहीं बदलती सेम डिजिट। जैसे यहाँ 2 और 2 यहाँ पर सेम वैल्यू है तो फेस वैल्यू दोनों की, इसकी भी 2 होगी और इसकी भी। बट हियर the place value of this 2 is 20,000, but the value of this place the place value of this 2 is 20. So 20 and 20,000 face value are different, but face value are same. So the face value of a digit remains as it is, whereas the place value of a digit depends on its position in the place value. इसकी पोजीशन किस पर है उस पर डिपेंड। जैसे यहाँ पे 100 है 20 इसकी वैल्यू होगी, अगर वो 10,000 है तो 20,000 हो, लाख का है तो 2 लाख हो, 10 लाख का है तो 20 लाख हो, 100 का है तो 100 होगी, 200 होगी। इन दिस वे द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ सेम डिजिट डिपेंड्स ऑन द पोजीशन इन प्लेस वैल्यू टेबल, बट द प्लेस वैल्यू रिमेन्स एज इट इज। So we take some example to find the place value and face value of different digits in a number. Find face value. Find face value and place value. Place value of every digit in the given numbers. Here you have to find the this is first and second is you have to use periods because here we are writing in Indian place value chart, according to Indian place value chart. First face value and place value. Face value here, place value. First of all, we start from unit place. Face value of 6 is 6. Here face value of 6 की वैल्यू क्या है 6. Place value of 6 is 6. क्योंकि one's place फेस वैल्यू और प्लेस वैल्यू दोनों का सेम है। फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 ऑफ 1 इज 1. प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 1 is 1/10. 1/10. In face value you have to see the only digit, but in place value you have to see the position. 1/10. 10 means 10. 1/10 is 10. 10. Face value of 8 is 8. Of place value of 8 is 1 10 100. 100 place पे है means 800. Face value of 2 is 2. 2 की face value 2 है, but प्लेस वैल्यू वैल्यू ऑफ 2 1 10 100 1000 1000 प्लेस पे 2 है तो 2000 इज 2000 फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 5 is 5 place value of 5 is 1 10 100 1000 10,000 5 10,000 5 into 10 is to 50,000 ये 50,000 this is the face value and place value chart. According to face value, the digit is as it. The same digit remains as it. digit जैसे दिखाई देते हैं face value उसका ही वैसे होता है, but place value depends on its position. First was 6, वो 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Here you saw or you see that the place value and face value. Place value depends on its position in a number system chart, and place value chart and face value remains the same as same. Now take the second example of face value and place value. Second is second 5 3 2 4 3 face value place value face value of 2 is 2 place value of 2 is 2 face value of 3 is 3 place value of 3 is न्यू मेथड अगर बेस वैल्यू आप लिखते हैं तो 3 2 लिखा तो उसके बाद कोई डिजिट नहीं है तो 2 ही रहेगी प्लेस वैल्यू में 3 है 3 के बाद कितने डिजिट हैं 1 तो 3 और 1 0 थर्ड फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 4 is 4 प्लेस वैल्यू of 4 is 4 को देखिए 4 के बाद after 4 there are 2 digits 4 के बाद 2 digits 4 लिखकर 2 0 बढ़ा 400 4 है फेस वैल्यू of 2 is 2 प्लेस वैल्यू of 2 is 2 कितने डिजिट हैं 2 के बाद 1 2 3 डिजिट तो 3 0 1 2 3 फेस of 3 is 3 प्लेस वैल्यू of 3 is 3 after 3 how many digits 1 2 3 4 4 0 1 2 3 4 30,000 face value of 5 is 5 place value of 5 is 5 how many digits are there after 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 so here we find the place value and face value. So all of you have studied what is the face value and what is the place value and how can they be written. So in this way you can also write the face value and place value. It is very simple. There is no problem in it. See the number and write simply face value and place value. Place value depends on its position on its value in place value chart. But face value remains as it is. फेस वैल्यू जैसे दिखती है वह फेस एक चेहरा होता है, चेहरा जैसे दिखता है वही जैसे इसका जो दिख रहा है वही, लेकिन प्लेस वैल्यू उसकी पोजीशन फेस चाहे जो हो लेकिन क्वालिटी उसकी बदलती है. इसकी क्वालिटी टू ऐसे यहाँ क्वालिटी बढ़ गई 30 हो गई बट लेकिन फेस वही. सो पोजीशन वैल्यू सो द any digit in face value remains same as it is. face value में digit वही होती जैसे कि होती दिखाई पड़ती, but in place value it change its value according to the place in the place value chart. place value में chart में उसका position कहाँ पे है उस पे डिपेंड करता है. तो here today we have studied about the face value and place value. I think all of you have understood this and you can solve this types of question from your exercise book. I think you will be able to solve this types of question easily from your exercise book. So it is sufficient for today and we see in next video with next topic. Thanks for today.